Claude projects are a beautiful way to keep little siloed containers where we can give very definite and unique instructions to AI to think and react and give us outputs in very specific use cases. So think about a thing that you're working on that we want to give a lot of information to the AI for and around, a product that you're creating, a project that you're working on, and or a client project, for example. So use case for clients is massive with Claude projects. In this video, I'm just going to show you very briefly what projects are, how to use them, and how to get the most out of projects with Claude. So let's dive straight in. When you land in Claude here, down the left-hand side in the sidebar, you've got an option for projects. You can start regular chats, and these conversation threads are listed down the left-hand side, which is fine, which is great, because Claude has a beautiful way of creating a customization layer for you, right? So check it out. It's in a previous video, but if you go into the settings down at the bottom here, then in Claude, you can give this we call it power positioning statement and soul data. So all of the stuff that's important about you. The reason I love it so much has a much bigger custom instructions window than ChatGPT. So it allows us to feed so much more initial data into the AI. Why does that matter? Because everything in AI is about context. It is driven by pattern recognition and an understanding, or understanding in inverted commas, of context. The more we can give the AI in terms of context, the better the output's going to be, because it can predict and understand who we are, what we're looking for, much better in a much richer way, especially when we're using AI as a co-intelligence, because that co-intelligence can be more intelligent by having a deeper understanding of who we are and what we're all about. Does that make sense? So Claude's custom instructions in that sense are much more powerful than those of ChatGPT. Although at the moment, just to be fair, devil's advocate, ChatGPT has a really powerful extended memory. So Claude doesn't see all of these other conversation threads. If I start a new chat and ask it about when I was talking about my power positioning statement, when did we discuss my positioning? Then Claude doesn't know this because it doesn't see across other conversations. Each conversation thread is unique. That's important to note, because every time we start a new chat, it forgets everything except those very detailed custom instructions. It remembers those every conversation. That's really useful to know because it doesn't see the conversation threads. If I was to ask the same thing inside of ChatGPT here to say, when did we discuss positioning, it can see all of these conversations and it remembers across conversations. So you can see here it's telling us when we discuss this. That's an advantage of ChatGPT over Claude. And there are differences that are good, bad, different around each of these and the use cases for them. Okay, so what does that mean from a project's perspective? We want conversations to be connected when we're working on a specific project. And so projects inside of Claude allow us to do just that. They allow us to collect conversations and have the AI understand and be able to see across different conversation threads. So to get started, you hit the projects button here, and I'm going to just create a new project here with you to show you. So I've just created a project called Colin Scotland's Ideal Client. Okay. And the goal here is I'm going to create the project. And now this is a project called Colin Scotland's Ideal Client. And here you can see we have some options to edit the details, to archive it, to make it a favorite. And at the moment it's set to private, so only I can access this. You can change those instructions. And then here you've got conversations that exist inside of the project. So every time we have a conversation, it's now going to exist inside of this project, which means that it's not siloed anymore. Let me close that sidebar. It's not siloed anymore. Conversations can be looked at across multiple threads. So before you do that, we were going to set up the project. So you can set project instructions. So here is how we want Claude to respond to us and information that it needs to know. So you can give as much or as little detail in here as you want. So this is dependent on what you're looking to get from the AI. It's really powerful and important to know, what do you want? What are your intentions and what outputs are you looking for? Because when you're able to specify that, the outputs are going to be so much closer to what you expect. If we just ran into a restaurant and said, hey, waiter, I'm hungry, bring me food. How do we know he's going to bring something that we like? You might get food, but it might be unpalatable to you. Whereas if we go in the restaurant and say, hey, I want burger and fries, please, that's more specific. That's more intentional. And I would invite you to have that same intentional use of the AI. So here we can set up exactly details around the project. If you're not sure about what to put here, watch this. Help me refine my project instructions for Claude. Specify. So what I'm doing here is I'm thinking into the AI. I would like to specify exactly what Claude needs in order to act as an expert in market research, customer understanding, and copywriting. So what I've done here is I've asked Claude to create those custom instructions because I don't want to sit having to type. I don't know what they are. So here Claude will create the instructions that we want to put inside of that project. Here we go. Yes, create a draft that I can copy, paste. So this is a useful process for you to understand and see. We don't know that we don't know. And so we allow the AI to be our guide in bringing the unknown into the known. So here, Claude as market research and copywriting expert, we can literally just copy this. Once we're happy with it, right, you can iterate and change this. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to go into the project. And this is where I'm going to paste my special instructions. So this part is where Claude really shines, is in the window, the context window that it gives you being so much bigger. So now we've got our custom instructions set. The next thing to do is to add more project knowledge. So I have a document that I'm going to upload that is my ideal client profile. So I'm going to grab that. So this is a document that details my ideal client's wants, emotions, beliefs. It has an empathy map, a chain of beliefs. It has all kinds of data in there that really helps me and AI understand who my ideal clients are. So I've uploaded that document in here. You can put text files, PDFs, presentations, images, whatever's relevant for you. So if you were setting a project up for a client, you might add brand workbook or brand guide, brand voice elements, so we know how we speak as that client, the voice of client. Also, the products and services that you offer, you may upload your value ladder information. Whatever's relevant for the AI to understand, give it all of that information. And then every time we have a conversation inside of the project, it knows that information. What makes my ideal clients say yes to my coaching? So now Claude is going to draw on all of that stuff that's inside of the knowledge. So it understands that pattern. Remember, it's got a greater context. This is what makes projects really useful. We could upload all of that information and give it all of that in one go, but that doesn't necessarily serve us because we're not able to really guide the AI into what we want. We're not able to go into that restaurant and say we want burger and fries. We're just saying we want food. And so this is what makes projects so powerful. You're able to set up little guardrails, little parameters within which to explore the good of what AI brings, the co-intelligence element of how it becomes a true useful thinking partner for you, for your business in service of others. Becomes really powerful. And this is why projects are so good, because we can give all of that additional context and we can get real useful insights. So when would we use projects? If we are running a project, if you're creating a product or a service, if you are running a campaign, if you are creating specific marketing materials, if you're working with clients, you might have a project per client. So the AI knows, understands everything about that relationship with the client, and you can meet them where they're at and serve and understand them much deeper, much greater Claude projects are truly outstanding for that. You can also then add an additional layer. This is going to get to the advanced bit, right? But you can add an additional layer here. So if I wanted to, I've got called styles, right? And I've done a video on this. Check out the video if you want to know how to use these styles, but you can bring in specific styles here. So if I've created a writing partner, a version of Claude that writes exactly like me, it understands me deeply because it's read all of my emails, all of my Google Drive, and it's created this brand voice of Colin. So every time it writes, it sounds just like me. And I have very minimal editing to do in order to corral and change that into a collaborative piece that really is me and from me. So you can layer that on top. You can create a voice of your customer as a custom style, or you can create something else, something unique. So an A+ copywriting style, or a direct response copywriting expert as a custom style. Think about how you've got these layers now of siloed information in the conversation threads, of collected information inside of here. So you can see these conversations are building up now. And if I ask it about when we talked about my ideal client saying yes, it knows now, just like ChatGPT did, and it can talk about these multiple and see these multiple conversation threads. This is why projects are so powerful. This is why you'll want to be using projects inside of Claude just to uncover that magic. It all starts with your intentionality, your ability to understand and appreciate what it is that you're looking to get out of the AI. You don't know what that is? It doesn't matter. You use the AI for that very first step. So start there. Start just a regular chat in Claude and expressing and understanding what that unknown is for you so that you can first understand. Help me to see how I might use a project with this coaching client. Create the structure with AI and then build that structure into projects. Go have fun. Let us know in the comments how you're using Claude projects, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.